Trust me, you look fine.
Hi guys, happy Vlogmas day 6. Don't mind my face. I obviously look exhausted. It's around 3 o'clock p.m. Today's Sunday. We're just running a little bit of errands. Thought I'd start vlogging. We're getting coffee because I desperately need coffee. For some reason, I'm just so lethargic and out of energy today. And then tonight we're going to the Friends experience in Manhattan, and I'm so excited. I love Friends. I grew up on Friends. I still watch Friends to this day, and I know every episode and like every line. So excited. Yeah, anyways, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you later. Hi guys, so it is about that time. We are about to leave for the Friends experience in New York City. I am so excited. I just put like a little bit of makeup on because I feel like this whole Vlogmas I've been barefaced, and you know, I just wanted to put some makeup on. I think after that we were supposed to go get dinner at this barbecue place in Astoria, but it's all booked apparently, so we're just gonna take it out and bring it back to mi casa and eat it there. I feel like this foundation's too light for me, or I'm just still really tan from Mexico. I just bought this new Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation, and I really like it. The coverage is amazing, and it's also not that heavy. Oh my god, my camera's dying.
We gotta start with the sofa, right? And on this orange sofa, you got your friends, Rachel, Monica, Phoebe, Joey, Chandler, and Ross. Look at them. They're hot. They're young. They're like me.
Why is she here?
Monica and Rachel live in this truly mammoth New York City apartment. Chandler and Joey live in this less large but equally comical New York City apartment. You'll get to see them both. Many fans watch Friends for the jokes. Oh, this is a good one. 7! Others are obsessed with Ross and Rachel's relationship for 10 seasons.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this is the canoe they had in their living room. We just got married in the chapel in Vegas. I'm ecstatic right now. I'm living my best life. This is amazing. Amazing. In the famous balcony. We're about to dig in. Bye guys. Hi guys, it is Vlogmas day 7. It's December 7th. It is Monday and I'm vlogging right now, obviously. Today is Monday, so really I just have a lot of work to do, a lot of errands to run, a lot of shit to get done. There's construction going on in my house right now, like in the kitchen, and I cannot concentrate on anything. So I'm on my way to a cafe to just sit there and like get my work done. But I'm just at Dunkin' because my mom's hungry. So I'm gonna bring her a bagel and then I'm gonna go there. I'm actually pretty hungry too because our kitchen is, you know, a mess. So I'll probably eat something at the cafe. But yeah, hi guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So I'm on the way to the cafe. And at this point I'm really hungry. And I keep wasting money on food outside when I have so much food at home. But oh well. Cheers. This town in Long Island is so cute. I love it. Hi guys, oh, I'll turn left now. Why am I even trying to vlog right now? So I just left the cafe. I stayed there for like maybe like 45-50 minutes just because it started getting crowded and I wanted to be I wanted to give other people a place to like sit. Now I'm going to CVS just to get water bottles because we cannot get to the fridge and we don't have any water bottles at home. Our kitchen is under construction. So yeah, and then I'm gonna go home and I have so much more work to do, but this is also boring Vlogmas. I really apologize. It's Monday, you know, it's time to get work done today. But yeah, I'm enjoying this drive. It's actually so beautiful today and I'm blasting Lord. Anyways, let me focus on driving. The mess in front of our house right now is insane. I'm waiting to see if he'll get the door for me. Hello? Hey. Huh? Rude. Ooh, yeah.